If you want to remove your background, we have a background remover tool here. It's completely with AI. It's one click, it's remove your background. For example, in this background, you can see we have a complex background. The AI automatically detected this car in the middle, and just with one click, it remove background. Make sure you are in a fast mode, and make sure you are purchasing a standard or pro version to access more tools and fastest, more detail. But you can use it in free also. You can choose which background you want, but in this case, this is just a color. Checkerboard means nothing. It gives you PNG. Just with one click, it's done. You can see it's removed completely background for us nicely. Or for example, such these things, it has a hair, it's a lot of fur here, and it seems it's too hard to remove it. Just with one click, boom. Wow, interesting. But it has a little bit issue here that you can bring it in a Photoshop or other tool to remove that. You can see. But unfortunately, it does not have other setting to control it. For example, brush that. I hope you in the future they will be add that. But that's it. For example, another complex, boom. And then you can replace it. I think it's nice. Yeah, you can see it's detected here also. Interesting. That's it. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.